2014 ACURA RDX 3.5. Today we're gonna replace the oil switch, pressure switch. So bank 1 is this one, and bank 2 is the front one. So the bank 2, we're gonna replace the oil pressure switch. This one is the green connector. So to remove that, we're gonna use a 24mm socket. Okay, so we remove it carefully. Okay, and here's the new one. Here's the part number. I get it from Napa, and also comes with the O-ring. So we need to replace the O-ring using like a long pick to remove the old one. And just be careful when you install the O-ring. Just make sure you got an extra one, just in case folds. So I use the same tool to install the O-ring. So as you can see, this one is gone, so I got another one. So there is a new one here. Okay, just take your time to install this O-ring. Okay, so we got the sensor. Make sure the O-ring is in place. It looks like it is. Okay, and we are going to torque this sensor at 16 foot-pounds. 16 foot-pounds. I got my torque wrench set at 16 foot-pounds, and that's it. So before you replace this sensor, check your oil level and make sure you got it's good, and also check the VTech if it's in good conditions. Alright, so the vent is running now and I don't see no leaks. So if you got this code, just replace the oil switch sensor and also check your oil level. Alright.